BMW i8 windshield washer issue. The location of the windshield washer refill is at the bottom of the windshield on the cowl. Unfortunately, mine is missing the windshield washer cover. I ordered my new washer cover from eBay, directly from Lithuania where they are produced. Even with shipping, it is cheaper than purchasing it locally or from dealers online. The only downside is it takes 2 weeks to deliver. So for FYI, this is about $24. It's somewhat expensive for what it is, so try not to lose your windshield washer cover. Let's see if it fits. Slide the base first at the bottom, then push on top to secure in place. There you go. Now if there's an indication that this might fall off or a chance that we will lose this again, we will make modifications on the cover in the future. But for now, we are done. Thank you for watching.